In this video, I will show you how you can earn more than $700 just by listening to music. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The first thing you need to do is to go to this website called soundcloud.com. Here you will see some popular songs that this website offers you. You can also download the SoundCloud app on your smartphone. This app is also available on Google Play and App Store. I'm going to show you how you can listen to songs like this, and for every song you listen to you can earn $6 if you only listen to 2 songs. If you listen to 4 songs, you can earn $12 and you can even earn $30 and more. And the good news is that there is no limit to how many times you can do this. Now go ahead and create your account. The work is very easy. It's easy enough to create an account, and you can register with it using your Facebook account or your Google account, or you can just enter your email address after logging in, and your dashboard will look like this. As you can see, each song is in its own category. A few categories here to listen to any song from this. Just click here and it will start playing, and if you scroll down you will see more related song here. Now that you are familiar with SoundCloud, I want to move on to the next website. The name of the website is musicmatch.com. Click on the next above, and here you will find the lyrics of any song you can imagine. Let me just do one of these songs, and this is the lyrics now. Let me go back, and you can also type in the search bar here the name of any song you like, and the website will show you the lyrics. For example, let's go back to SoundCloud. Here any song we search, we can find its lyrics on this site. In fact, the website will show me the lyrics of these songs. It's so simple that you will find the lyrics of any popular song here. There are people who listen to someone with songs from sites like SoundCloud and others and translate these songs into lyrics. And of course, these people get paid to do this. The next part of the website that you want to use the transcribe music and make money will pay you $1.50 per minute, which means if each song is 6 minutes long, you will earn $9 per song. You can imagine how much just 10 songs a day can earn you, let alone 20 songs a day. You don't even have to manually transcribe these songs yourself. The name of this website is rev.com. This website is 100% legit, and if you haven't heard about it before, they already have more than 700,000 users on this site. As you can see here, there are many different types of jobs available, such as making English subtitle and transcribing subtitle. You can even earn more per minute. So if you speak more than one language, there is another opportunity for you where you can earn even $5 and $20 per minute. Only here we will focus on voice transcription, where you just do what we have already seen. Go to the page and click here. It says become freelancers. As you can see, this website allows you to earn income from anywhere, anytime, no matter if you are sitting on the bus or lying on the couch, and where you can still do it, as well as you can do as much or less. You can choose from hundreds of jobs available on these sites. You will never be unemployed here, and you will be paid weekly to your PayPal account. Now scroll down a bit and click learn more from the transcription category. You can now register by filling in your information here. Type your first name and last name here, enter your email address, select your country here, and click the next option. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.